Hey everyone, welcome to week number 8. I'll keep this video really short. I promise this time it won't be 10 minutes. Week number 8, we're talking more about ethical implications and considerations. You'll be doing a consulting report on a situation called the Insights from Real Recruit. Remember how you access it is you do it via the links to get it to it in the textbook. This is a neat case study. So please read through it. Let me know if you have any questions. But it's kind of fitting in today's environment. Also, make sure that you do your weekly readings. That's key as well, because your weekly readings ties into your 8-2 quiz. So you just have your weekly readings, your consulting report, and your quiz for this week. Also, don't forget, next week you'll be applying this to the health and beauty company. So if you want to work ahead, that's also your prerogative. And then please do not forget about the Excel work that's due in week 10. And again, it's just the first 2 lessons. You'll finish the rest of the lessons in future courses. Of course, if you want to work ahead, that's great. Just make sure you take a screenshot to keep that with you. That way you can prove that you've done it for the other courses as well. So I'll look forward to any questions that you may have. Also, I'll be grading all the work you guys did last week. I know it was a ton. Week 7 is a pretty heavy week, so you'll start to see some feedback coming on in the next few days. Again, if you have questions, concerns, issues, please reach out. Please feel free to email me, text me, call me, and I will leave the video very short this week. So have a great week. Cheers. Take care. Good to see everybody. Bye-bye.